Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to speed up video in CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your CapCut application, and after it opens, import your video in CapCut by tapping on this import icon. And after it, tap on the video and drag it to the timeline of CapCut. And once you will paste your video in the CapCut timeline, how can you speed up the video? This is a simple task. Simply tap on your video and take a look on the right top. Here you can see a few options: video speed, animation, and adjustment from these options. Tap on the option speed, and here we can set the speed. The first one is you can adjust it automatically, means if you take this line on 2x, you can see the video duration is now set on 6 seconds. And if I take it back to 1x, now you can see the video duration came back to 13 seconds. And this option is for you can set the video speed manually, means the video duration is 13.1 seconds. And if I tap on it and I want to set the video duration on 9 seconds, and simply I need to type here 9. Once I will type 9, hit enter. And now you can see the video duration has been set to 9 seconds just for showing you. I will adjust the speed by arranging this time. I will take it on 2x. Now you can see the video duration is 6.16 seconds. Now let's play the video and have a final look of it. And I think it's looked good. So arrange your video duration as per your need and export it. So it was the simple way by which you can speed up your video in CapCut.